Hello everyone, today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of resolution on the application of DoorDash. You will click on settings. In this page you can click on apps, default apps, app settings. When above you can search about DoorDash and you will enter. Here you can click on first stop and you can click OK. After that, you'll enter to the window of storage. Here you can click clear cache. In the end, you can go to Play Store. You can search about DoorDash and you will enter here. Then you can announce clear up and you can uninstall it again. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video.